Trying to kiss?
Yeah. I miss you, buddy. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Damn, I didn't even know I was in neutral.
That scared me. Shit.
I guess we can go straight, I guess.
Your bike sounds pretty fucking loud right now. I was like, no, not the speed wobble. Dude, I did that dead ass the other day when Marcus, or what is it, when the last time I saw him? Hey, what's up? What's up, little bitch? Nah, but I did that, and bro, I fucking like speed wobbled hard.
That?
Yeah, like I went up too high, and I was just like, oh shit. And he saw that, I was just like, me.
Damn, them brakes though.
Huh?
What a fucking bullshit.
Oh.
Yours is about fucking nerds.
A bunch of fucking nerds.
Nah, I need to work out.
They think they're too cool for school. That's why, because they drive a Mustang.
They got Stangs. Everybody has a Mustang. I remember Marcus said, I'm not going to get a Mustang. Everybody has a Mustang. Hear that, Marcus? Fuck you.
Oh my god.
Well, I've been meaning, like...
Let the hate crimes begin.
No, but like... It's not... There's nothing against him. I hate texting on that stupid phone. I've been wanting to, like join a group chat with y'all and be like... Tell Marcus, like, welcome to the Speed Wobble group, or, like, no fucking... Some shit, because...
What?
Mustang stuck.
What?
Mustang stuck in the fucking rain.
What?
Be slipping and sliding. Has he peeled out already yet?
I don't think so. Not that I know of. He let me drive his car.
Did you peel out?
Oh yeah, I peeled out.
I mean, it's not that hard to peel out in a Mustang.
No, it's
I mean,
not.
you could just, like...
You can lose control of it, and you're not even trying to.
Yep. That's what happened when I fucking crashed. What the fuck? You can't U-turn here, motherfucker. Oh.
I was gonna say, go in the middle.
Bro? Okay.
Oh, you cool.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
What's life with
His
those?
lights was on, man. Like, what the fuck is he doing? Okay, now you're just driving like a damn hooligan.
Now you're driving like your mama ain't got no fit.
Hey, when are you off?
Saturday and Sunday.
What?
Saturday and Sunday.
Oh.
Bitch, I work Monday through Friday.
Hey!
I got a grown man schedule.
Oh, okay.
I'm a grown boy.
Hey, let me find out you're talking shit about me, bro, and I'm gonna get off this bike and whoop that ass. You can catch this work, bro. You can catch some motherfucking work.
I don't even know where you're at, to tell you the truth. On Petrenko, there were like 4 or 5 bikes on Petrenko, like where Marcus lives.
Bro.
Yeah, I was like, damn.
I know, dude. I was at work, and all I just saw was like outside people riding their bikes. I was like, that could have been me. It's getting chilly, Willy.
Huh?
It's getting chilly, Willy.
Nah, it feels good.
Feels good.
I fucking froze my ass off this morning.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Feels good.
You tell me.
Oh no. I thought that you're gonna go and like I was gonna go flying across like a slingshot.
Would you get one of those?
What?
A slingshot?
Oh shit! There's another biker up there.
You trying to catch up to him or what?
Oh yeah.
Straight?
Is he going straight? I think so.
Yeah, he's going straight. We gonna catch him or what?
You gonna catch him? We're gonna send it. Come on, I'm driving it.
Damn, nigga, chill the fuck out. Ah.
The what?
It's a Suzuki.
A Suzuki?
Yeah. Man, it's like an older one though.
Picks up pretty quick.
Oh yeah. It looks like it might be like a 200.
Woo. 200. 5G 400. You gonna pull up next time or what?
Hell yeah.
Nice.
And that's big.
That's crazy, man. Hell yeah, I dig it. I've never seen a bike like that. For real, I don't ride that shit, I rock it. Destination.
It's a 250.
250 you asked him?
No, it says 250 on the side.
Oh, okay.
Dumbass.
Oh, okay, bitch. Like I can see. Watch out, little bitch.
I swear I was behind that Jeep earlier. What? Hi.
I gave him a thumbs up.
He looks drunk.
Huh?
He looks drunk.
Yeah, I know. He's keeping up, bro.
For a 250?
Yeah, I guess so.
You sure gave him a card, man?
I will.
You gonna give him one?
Here, bro. Oh, it's a YouTube. I'm on YouTube, man. That's a nice bike.
What?
I'm on YouTube. That's my card, yeah, but you got a nice bike.
I'm only 17.
Bro?
I want to get a bigger one time. Like, graduate. What did he say?
Nah, that's not bad. It's a nice bike, man. Yeah, good shit.
My first one.
Nah, he said he's 17, bro.
Just starting out.
Yeah, he's 17.
That's a nice bike, though.
It's a 650. Yeah.
His is it? Oh.
Yours is a 250, right? Yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah.
Can I move up, or?
Yeah, you want... Yeah, his is a Harley. Yeah. Which way are you going? Straight? Okay. Yeah, he said he's 17, bro. That's crazy, man.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's nice. That's a nice bike to start on for, like, a first one. Bro, I dig it, man. Oh, yeah. Now you say he has GoPro in his backpack.
I need a GoPro!
Yeah, seriously. Then you get on that GoPro gang, man.
Gang.
Gang. See you later, man. Man, that was good as fuck. There you go, young blood. Get that shit.
I have my blinker on. I don't know what the fuck you were doing.
He probably didn't see you. Little bitch. Nah, that's crazy, man. He was young, bro.
17? My mom would never let me get
I know, for real. But he had a nice-ass bike. I mean, it wasn't, like, crazy, but it was nice. It was in good condition, dude.
250?
Yeah.
Ain't she kind of cute? Oh, can't tell.
Shit. Looks like Celeste.
My baby mama?
What the f*** is that car going? I was like, bro, we're about to straight up die. That car was going in the wrong direction, man. I feel free, man, when I'm on my bike. I feel invincible. I feel like I can do anything. Everything. But yeah, man. Just, y'all stay tuned, and man, I'm telling y'all, stay tuned. Don't sleep on me. And, like I said, just stay tuned and keep it real and be safe, man. Y'all take it easy. Peace.